Hi guys, I seem to have a huge collection of challenge locks arrived over the last week or so I'll start working my way through them. This one, UCOF lock number 9. As usual with the UCOF's locks, they're quite talkative, quite pickable, but always good fun. We're going straight in, just with a standard hook, feeling for any pin standing proud, setting it. Light tension as always. Just working our way backwards and forwards, seeing what we can find. Yeah, doing a grand job here, Rich. Come on, find the key. Find the pins. Bloody fool. It's too early in the morning for me to be doing this. There we go, a bit of a false set there. That's nice. There's the next one, I think. Oh, there it is. A little bit more movement. A bit more. And a bit of counter rotation there. Big false set. Apologies for the creaky chair, but what can you do? It's what you've got. Big counter rotation on that one. All seems to be happening around the back at the moment, and the back of the lock. And there we go, picked for your pleasure. We'll have a look at the pins, and thanks for watching. Oh, before I forget, There you go. You thought I was lying. Cheers.